In this video, we will recap the key takeaways from the material we learned in this section of the course. Object-Oriented Programming, or OOP, is code that works with classes and objects. C++ is an object-oriented programming language, along with languages such as Java, C#, and Python. There are 4 pillars in object-oriented programming: inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, and polymorphism. Encapsulation means making a class's attributes inaccessible from other classes. Abstraction, put simply, is hiding the details of the program from the end user. Inheritance is used to add the functionality of one class to another class, without having to rewrite the logic. Polymorphism means that classes can have different functionality, while sharing a common interface. Classes are the blueprints of objects. A class can have variables, aka attributes, and methods, aka functions. We instantiate objects out of classes. Classes and objects are the fundamental building blocks in object-oriented programming. Inheritance means that one class can extend another class, along with its attributes and methods.